How you going, guys? I wanted to show you a couple of things that we missed on the previous video on the X1.3. The first thing is definitely the fact that the boom is not centered but is offset. You can see that it's not sitting central with the machine, which is a good thing, especially when you try and get into those tight spaces. Obviously this one, the 1.3 now has got comes with the boom swing standard, but having it offset on the side definitely gives more flexibility in the operations. Then another point that we didn't touch was the tie down points. So now we have a tie down point there at the back, but we also have tie down points here on the blade. And the blade itself can fold back when you're using the machine in narrow mode, when you retract the tracks. As you can see, it's got a pin here that you remove and manually fold back and then fix with the pin again. And now that we're here, I can also show you the protections here on the hydraulic connections on the blade there. And everything, again, everything is greasable. You can see down there, greasing points. So, which is good on a machine this size. And they put protectors wherever they could. So, yeah, quite happy there. Now, with the trucks expanded, we have a width of approximately 920, and with the trucks retracted, we have a width of approximately 790. Now, obviously 790 is really good, but we need to take into account the width of the chassis, which is about 830. Get the tape. Yeah, so it's about 820, yeah. So it can get into pretty narrow spots. The height is 2250. So from obviously the concrete floor to the top of the canopy there. Yeah, so I think this is everything that we missed on the first video. Let us know if there's something else that you would like to know, and yeah, we'll make another video. Thank you. Bye bye.